What is up, you guys? It's Romani and I'm back with another video. If you are not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos, subscribe. But my channel is basically geared towards beauty, so like hair, makeup, fitness, and then empowering yourself. So today is going to be a very empowering video. We are going to talk about how to boss up, level up, and be confident. So let's jump into the video. I wrote all of these things down. You can't even see it. Oh yeah, I wrote all of these things down so I don't forget anything. And yeah, sis, you finna be popping. Number one, how to be a boss, level up, feel confident. You need to have a spiritual life. You can do all of these wonderful things to try to level up, but if you don't have God in your life, you're not really going to get far. Many of you watching this, or some of you may not be religious, and that's fine. You can skip over this portion, but if you are, just feel free to listen. I believe in Jesus Christ. I definitely feel like everybody should have a relationship with Jesus, because he will literally grant you the desires of your heart, you guys. I can't even explain how far you can get in life when you do have just a higher I don't know, like, God is so good, I can't even like explain it. But when you have God, or you have Jesus, or the Holy Spirit, or just any higher being that you choose to believe in, you have faith, and that is like the number one level upper that you need. That's going to give you the confidence, because you're always going to have faith, you're always going to be optimistic, you're always going to be positive. So a few things that you can do to up your faith game: pray. Praying doesn't have to necessarily be, you know, traditional, holding hands, closing your eyes. Sometimes I'm walking on campus and I'm just talking to God, and I'm just thanking God, and I'm sure people probably think I'm crazy. Sometimes I even have my earphones in, listen to worship music, and just, you know, just pray, just talk to God, tell him how I'm feeling. I'm feeling down, I'm feeling happy. What should I do with my hair today? What should I eat today, Jesus? Build that relationship so that you're never feeling alone. You're never feeling unconfident, because you always got Jesus right here. You know what I mean? And journaling. I literally journal to Jesus. I'm not gonna say every day. I try to do every day. But I literally journal to Jesus every other day. And it doesn't have to be like, oh, holy thou art, you know how, you know, the Bible be talking. It doesn't have to even be that. Like, I'd be like, Jesus, guess what happened to me today? Like, guess who tried me today? You know, like so yeah, just build that faith relationship. Get that relationship with Jesus, get that relationship with the Holy Spirit, get that relationship with something. It, you know, I promote Christianity, but if you're another religion, that's fine. If you're Muslim, you know, get that relationship with Allah, get that relationship with a higher being, so that you can always feel your best. Number two, appearance. You always want to be looking good so you can be feeling good. You don't necessarily have to be glammed up every day. If y'all go to school with me, y'all know my hair be in some braids or some bantu knots in a quick sec, but that's just because I'm on campus. When you go out, make sure you don't even gotta really do makeup. You know, I just started getting into the makeup thing. I like my clear face. I don't know. Get dialed up, put on a necklace, put on a nice bracelet, put on a nice blouse, you know, make sure your hair is done, sleek your edges, look good so you can feel good. Make sure you got nice clothes, and nice clothes does not mean expensive clothes, because I know that people feel like they have to drop like hella bands to look a certain way. The thrift store needs to be your best friend. You don't have to spend a lot of money. We ain't even got no money for real, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to spend a lot of money. I personally shop at Rainbow for literally everything. I know everybody's on the Fashion Nova trend, but if you don't want to spend that much money on Fashion Nova and Rainbow have the exact same vendors. Like, whenever I see something on the Fashion Nova website, I head to Rainbow, and it's literally there for about $6 cheaper, and it saves my entire life. So yeah, don't feel pressured to you know, go out and like buy hella clothes, but make sure you look nice. You know, go to the Salvation Army. The Salvation Army has great, you know, stuff. And if you are somebody who like really likes name brands, Plato's Closet is really good. They only accept name brand items, and they are a thrift store, but like they only accept high quality things. So if you like name brands but you don't want to spend too much on your stuff, just go to Plato's Closet. Because yeah, I don't believe that people should spend hella money on clothes. The only thing that is going to be a lot of money are my bags, and that's just because I love them. But like clothes, you're gonna outgrow. You don't need the most expensive clothes, but you know, if you're making money like that, to each his own. Hygiene, this is still under appearance, but hygiene, make sure you know you take a shower, you put on deodorant, you shave your underarms, you brush your teeth, you wash your face. Like, make sure you're showing up in the world how you want to be perceived. You don't want people to see you and you know they like like you want them to be like, oh, like you smell good, your skin is soft, your face is clear. My face is usually clear. I don't know what is happening to me these days, but yeah. But yeah, you want to show up in the world smelling good, looking good, being your best self. Last thing with appearance is working out. So you guys know I'm a trainer, and so I'm always going to promote working out, but it's no sense in feeling unconfident when you can just change, you know what I mean? And it's not going to be easy per se, but if you are diligent and you're very consistent, you can literally do anything. You can have the body that you want. If you've been following me for a while on Instagram, you know that I was very overweight and I lost my weight and I feel amazing. And you could literally do the same thing. Like, you just have to get up, put the excuses down, and be your best self. So under appearance, we had clothes, hygiene, workout. 3, what are you consuming? So I have a few things under that as well. So food, it's okay to have, like, you know, bad food here and there, but you don't want to be eating greasy hamburgers every single day. That's one, that's not going to make you feel good, but that's not going to make you look good. And when you don't look good, you don't feel good, and then boom, like, self-esteem is down the drain. And yeah, no. And I'm not saying you have to eat a salad every day, you know. Up your fruit intake, up your what's that, vegetables, up your vegetable intake, you know, up your water. Oh my god, like, water is it. Try to drink at least 4 bottles a day. If you can try to drink a gallon a day, you'll be feeling so good about yourself, and then your eating habits are automatically going to change because you don't, I don't know, it's like, I don't know what happens, but it's like when you're drinking a lot of water, it's like your cravings change. You're not craving, you know, candy bars and all that crap. TV, are you watching garbage television? Now, it's okay to watch, you know, a few reality shows here and there, but I have noticed that when I stopped watching like the Love and Hip Hops and the Bad Girls Clubs and stuff like that, my attitude improved and everything around me just improved, because I want to see things that empower me. I don't want to see things that make me mad, bring me down. And it's like, you might be like, oh, what was I about to say? You might be like, oh, like, it's just TV. It's not just TV. Like, everything that you see has a direct effect on you, your mood. Have you ever like watched something, you just feel real down? Like, I used to feel that way about How to Get Away with Murder. I would like binge watch How to Get Away with Murder because I would have like missed some episodes, and I would literally feel so drained. To like help with that, okay, keep watching like your TV shows, but add a sermon in. My favorite pastors as of now, Heather Lindsay, Michael Todd. I know a lot of people like Sarah Jakes Roberts. A lot of people in this prayer group that I'm in, they love Sarah Jakes. TV Jakes. Like, just look up any sermon and try to watch a sermon a day to like feed your soul. Because again, when you're feeding your soul, you got your spirit right, you're gonna be good. Along with TV, music, trap music, we love it, right? City Girls, we love them. But you know what, City Girls is actually empowering. Y'all can keep listening to them, but like the stuff with the gunshots in the back, it's fun, I love it. But when you listen to too much of that, you become that, and you don't want to be showing up in the world mad or just feeling, I don't know, you know that feeling that you get when you listen to some hood music versus when you listen to some gospel music. Now, that's not to say that I don't listen to trap music, because I will blast some trap music, but at the same time, I have a balance. I listen to trap music, I listen to R&B, but I also listen to gospel because I want to feel good. People, what are you consuming as it pertains to people? Negative people, people with the bad attitudes, people who make you feel like you can't do anything correctly. They always got a problem with you, what you do, what you say, how you look. They have to go. Because no, like, just no. I don't even feel like going into detail about it because the time is ticking. This video has gotten long, but no, stop. You don't gotta hang around nobody who, you know, always putting you down. That's not gonna make you level up. That's not gonna make you feel confident. That's gonna bring your confidence down. That's gonna make you level down. And if you just need some positivity to consume, I have videos on my Instagram just, you know, trying to uplift. And I also have a highlight on my Instagram page that says inspo, and so it's like a lot of inspiration. My Instagram is going to be right here, so make sure you follow me at XO_Romani. So yeah, number 3 was what are you consuming? That was food, TV, music, people, and then go check out those positive quotes. Number 4, find a hustle. Of course, you're not going to be feeling good, confident, leveled up if you don't have any money. Not saying that money is like end all be all, but we know that when we do have a pocket full of cash, we're feeling a little bit better than when we was having our broke days. Find you a hustle. What are you passionate about? What do you feel like the world needs? What do you feel like you need? A lot of people tell me that they don't necessarily know what they should do. What drives you? Like, okay, let's say you go outside and you always hate sun getting in your eyes. How can we prevent that? Sunglasses. You need to start selling sunglasses. So you gonna buy you some sunglasses in bulk on AliExpress or Amazon. You gonna sell them for $10 a pair and you're gonna make a profit. Simple. Boom. Hustle. 5, stop comparing yourself to others. You cannot feel confident and leveled up if you always are worried about Sally and Susie and keeping up with the Joneses. You cannot keep up with everybody and still feel confident in yourself. So I'm a social media influencer, but around the time where like I was striving to be that, it was so hard for me to feel confident because I'm looking at all these girls that have all these followers, and it's like at that time I may have had like 1,000 followers, and I'm seeing all these people and I see where I want to be, and I'm like, dang, like why can't that be me? Instead of me getting motivated, I got discouraged. So maybe if you feel yourself getting discouraged, shut it off, or tell yourself like, I'm only going to be on Instagram to post. I'm not really going to watch. And if you watch people, just make sure you're doing it for inspiration and you're not beating yourself up inside. Last thing, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have messed up the numbers, long story. Last thing, do things that make you happy. Stop doing things that upset your spirit. Stop doing things that you don't want to do. Now if it's a requirement for you to do that, then I mean do it. But if you don't have to do something, don't do it. If your friends want to go out and you don't want to go out because you just don't want to, no, I can't go out. Somebody wants you to come pick them up, you don't want to, I can't come pick you up. Now it's good to help people, but do things that make you happy first. Worry about your happiness first. And I have a video about that on my YouTube, about just doing things that make you happy. Do what's best for yourself. When you do things that make you happy, you're feeling positive, you're feeling optimistic, you're feeling like you can do anything, you know what I mean? We're just gonna go over each thing and that'll be it. So number 1, you're gonna, up your spiritual life. You're gonna pray, you're gonna journal to Jesus or Allah or whomever, whatever being you praise. 2, you're gonna get your appearance up with clothes, hygiene, and working out. And remember, with clothes, you can shop at the thrift store. So Salvation Army, Plato's Closet, shop at Rainbow. 3, what are you consuming? Food, TV, music, people. And you're gonna go check out the positive quotes on my Instagram in my highlights. 4, you're gonna find a hustle. You're gonna find what you're passionate about, what you wanna do with your life. And you're gonna make some money so you can level up. 5, you're going to stop comparing yourself to others, and when you feel yourself comparing yourself, you're going to get off social media, you're going to go work out, and you're going to inspire yourself. And lastly, number 6, you're going to do things that make you happy. So you're not doing nothing that upsets your spirit anymore. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps somebody. Yeah, that's it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani, which will be right here. Like, comment, share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you are notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching.